Good morning, everybody. We meet again in Zoom. Yeah. I want to check people. I want to check all of you here. Is anyone absent today?
I think Yuknan or
Yes,
Epson.
Yuknan.
What's the complete name? Yuknang, Yukmai. I don't know. That's nickname, right? What's the complete name?
Her full name is Sangayu Made Dwi Ananda Putri.
Sangayu. Oh ya, this pen ya. It's true? This pen ya?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Anyone else? Check. Come on, girl. Yeah, not just the secretary or courtier, check your friends. Maybe you can join, you can help them to check your friend. Okay, miss, this one is absent, this one is absent. Yeah, something like that. So we can move fast. You must finish your meeting at before 10, yeah? Before 10. So please help them to check your friends. Okay, can you follow me? Yes? If you feel okay, I don't understand about the explanation of Miss Nancy, you can raise your hands, okay? You can raise your hand. Jadi kalau kalian tidak paham, bingung, it's okay, just raise your hand. Okay, Miss, please explain again, or please explain in bahasa. I didn't get it. It's okay. Yeah. But
Okay, Miss.
yeah, but I tried to make to use full English of this class, because this is international class. Maybe sometimes if you need it, I will translate it into bahasa. But I think it's good if you try to listen, try to speak in English. Okay? Bahasa just we use when you feel don't get my point. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Okay? Just one? Yeah? Just one? One person absent? Is it right?
Maybe there's yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. We have we have 24, right? 24 students here, right? Is it right? Yes. And 24, this is 22. So we lost 2 students. 20, okay, 23. Okay, 1. Yeah, that's great. Already here. Okay, class. Today we will talk about what is it? About the task that you did it at home with your groups, yeah. But before that, we need to recap the last week, what we learned about and last week. Okay, can you explain to us about scientific paper components and the content of the components? Is anyone can answer? Hello. Yeah, I ask you again. Is anyone still remember what are the components of scientific paper and the contents of the components? Cynthia, would you like to answer my question?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, go on.
Content of research paper, I think title, ownership line, abstract, keyword, background, method, and result, Miss.
Okay, you forget about discussion and conclusion? What about it? Discussion and conclusion.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Discussion and
okay.
conclusion.
Okay, great. Cynthia, yeah, I give you point. Yeah, who can answer my questions, who can participate well in my class, I will give you a point. So I can help you in the end of the class, in the end of the semester, when I make an assessment and an evaluation, I can help you based on the point, okay? Maybe you have 70 and then you have 10 points and then you will be 80. Yeah? So that's why I need your participation, not just attend my class. If you just will attend my class and then go out from my class, okay? Yeah? Great. Good. Who's Cynthia, yeah? Yeah, okay, great. Who can explain to us what are the contents? Yeah, what are the contents of every component?
I will explain, Miss. I will try.
Yeah, Nopita. Okay.
So
Go on.
last week, my group as a group see a presentation about the content that includes in the structure of research paper that is in the abstract that include of 300 word or less. The major aspect of the entire paper in press describe sequence in that include. And then the second structure structure in the content research paper that provide 3 until 5 keywords for each chapter. And then the third structure in the research paper that present the background to our study that introduce our topic and IM. And then for the method, our methods that include drive all of aspect of our research methodology. And for the discussion that we include discussing whether the result of our research paper and the reference is a page of the last page in the research paper. That's I think, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Great, Novitasari ya. Okay, students, I forgot to screenshot of our meeting last 2 weeks. Did you have picture of it? Did you have picture of it? If you have, please send to our group, right? No one?
Maybe I have, Miss.
Okay. Yeah, please
Later
send.
I search.
Yeah, please send to our group. Yeah. Look at
Yes,
it.
Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, students. I asked you last 2 weeks to think about scientific paper that you will write, yeah, as your project with your team. Did you what is it, discuss it with your team already? Already discuss it? Not yet.
Not yet, Miss.
Okay, I ask you to discuss with your group, yeah, with your group, what kind of scientific paper that you will write as your project. Okay, and then you have to find out a topic in elementary school scope, yeah, and you have to write a background of the research. So you haven't done it yet. Okay, so yeah, that's why if you don't understand, yeah, if you didn't got my point, yeah, please ask me. Okay, so you didn't lose what your task or what your topic for discussion, yeah. So that's why if you feel okay, I don't understand, just raise your hand. Okay, Miss, apakah benar seperti ini? You confirm it, I confirm it to you, ya. Oke, jadi kalian tidak ini jadinya tidak apa ya? Ini jadinya miss ya, jadi miss karena kalian tidak mengerjakan tugas bersama kelompok kalian di rumah untuk menentukan jenis artikel apa, jenis tulisan ilmiah apa yang akan kalian buat gitu ya. Oke, because you didn't do it, I ask you with your group to write a PKM proposal. Did you got it? Get it?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Jadi karena kalian belum menentukan, oke, sekarang kita buat proposal PKM aja deh. Ya. Ya.
Sorry, Miss.
Yep.
How many people in the age of group?
Okay.
We will make.
For the task, yeah, you can make a group with consists of 2 of you, and then you should find someone else in different departments, yeah, different department and different generation. Okay, I mean not all of you become a group, yeah, not just Iki class your group. Okay, and also from other departments that related to your topic. You got it? You got it? Not yet? Not yet? Okay. Okay. I will explain in bahasa. Jadi kalian akan membuat PKM ya, yang hanya 2 dari kalian yang masuk dalam satu kelompok. Karena PKM itu terdiri dari 5 orang maksimal, maka kalian mencari 3 orangnya dari departemen berbeda. Prodi berbeda. Prodi berbeda. Departemen itu bisa dikatakan sebagai prodi ya. Prodi berbeda yang sesuai dengan topik PKM kalian. Ya. Kemudian kalian cari dari level yang berbeda. Maksudnya generation yang berbeda itu artinya kakak tingkat gitu ya. Kakak tingkat boleh semester 3, boleh semester 5 gitu. Ya. Yang berada di luar departemen. So, you should choose peers ya. Choose peer. Jadi pilih pasangan yang akan kalian ajak untuk membuat proposal PKM. Okay? It's depend on what kind of PKM do you want to write. Yeah. I think you joined with PKM Roadshow last 2 days, I think.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, and you got the point. You get the point? Yes? Yes, okay.
Yes, Miss.
No. Not yet? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, I think you got the point, and then you just try to choose one of them, yeah. PKM PM, yeah. PKM PI, and then PKM KC, PKM RSH, you can RSH, you can do RSH, yeah. And then PKM GFK, it's okay. It's up to you, yeah. But if you choose PKM PM, yeah, PKM PM, you have to find relation that not productive, okay, like teachers, like ibu-ibu PKK, yeah, like what is it, paguyuban agama, yeah, maybe paguyuban Hindu, paguyuban Muslim, and so on. Yeah, yeah, that's non-profit group. Okay. And how to find the topics, how to find the good idea. Yeah, let me show you how to find it. Wait a moment. Have you ever tried to use Google Scholar, students?
Yes, already, Miss.
Yes,
Already? Yeah, I show you, yeah. I showed you, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just want to try to tell you what how to find idea for PKM on Google Scholar. Okay. Maybe you found a problem or some problems in your environment. Yeah, like do you know Desa Bengkale?
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. The village is well known about deaf learners, right? Deaf learners. Jadi tuli bisu, ya.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, maybe you can choose it as an idea. Yeah, choose it as an idea. Okay, what about deaf learners? Okay, you can find it. Have you seen my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Okay. Deaf learners in elementary school. Yeah. And then you should choose since 2007, I think, because it's the range is 5 years from now, yeah. So the novelty is yeah, not too long, not okay. And then yeah, if you find something like this, yeah, don't forget to find good articles from good publishers. Okay, still remember? Still remember? Yeah, Taylor and Francis. Yeah, and then Springer, Elsevier, and then Routledge. Also, what else? Emerald, yeah, Wiley, and then and one else, yeah. Okay, if you find something like this, do deaf learners reach the necessary linguistic comprehension? This is for PKM-RSH, yeah, because this kind of topic, you make an experiment of the to find the answers of the topic, of the questions. Okay, you got it? Not yet?
Can you repeat with bahasa, Miss?
Okay, thank you for your honesty, ya. Oke, kalau kalian mendapatkan judul seperti ini, ya, judul seperti ini, maka ini adalah salah satu contoh dari PKM-RSH. Jadi pertanyaan ini kalian jawab melalui sebuah eksperimen, melalui sebuah pengujian, ya. Sehingga ini adalah jenis PKM-RSH. Karena kalau RE itu kan punyanya orang eksak, punyanya MIPA biasanya, ya. Nah, ini kalau begini, ini daerahnya RSH, daerahnya ilmu sosial. Kita termasuk, education is inside of social humaniora aspects, ya. Jadi kalian bisa kalau kalian memperoleh ide penelitian seperti ini, but do not copy, okay? Yeah, do not take it and then you just put it into your proposal. I don't like that. Yeah, if I found something like that, I just make it X. Yeah, I just put the paper into the dustbin. Okay. Ya, jadi saya tidak mau kalian itu copy langsung ini jadikan PKM, enggak boleh, ya. You can modify this questions. Ya. If you feel okay, I like this topic. Yeah, I like this topic. And then you find something different with this topic, another different article with this topic. Okay? Yeah. Okay, and then you click it. Yeah, just copy the DOE, yeah, copy it, and then find it in Sihub, as I told to you, yeah. Okay, got it? You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
good. Yeah, and then you try to read this. If you feel okay, it's hard to understand, okay, just copy it into Google Translate. Okay, yeah, it's easy to know today because we have Google Translate. Don't worry. But if you have motivation, okay, I will translate it by myself, it's okay, but don't translate it words by words, okay, because the meaning will different. Yeah, will different. Yeah, just translate it by the sentence. Yeah, okay, what about this sentence? Yeah, okay. So it's about PKM RSH. You can find here. And then, yeah, this is also for PKM RSH. Maybe what do spelling errors tell us about deaf learners of misalnya bahasa? Yeah, something like that. And then, okay, if you want to make a PKMKC, yeah, you should develop something general, yeah, something general, not for specific purposes. Okay, jadi kalau kalian mau nulis PKMKC, kalian mengembangkan sesuatu yang tidak untuk special purposes gitu, tidak untuk tujuan tertentu gitu ya. Jadi misalnya kalian mengembangkan robot gitu ya, robot edukasi. Jadi robot edukasi itu tidak spesifik untuk pembelajaran di perguruan tinggi, pembelajaran di sekolah dasar, tetapi untuk pendidikan gitu. Ya, general purposes dia ya. Oke. Okay, this is also for RSH, yeah. And then if you want to make PKM-PM, you can put maybe technology for deaf learners in elementary school, yeah. Okay, click it and then you can find. Okay. This one. Computer assisted instruction, project-based learning, and achievement of the learners in biology. Yeah, you can use computer assisted instruction, and then you conduct community services for teachers. Ya, jadi kalian bisa mengambil ide ini untuk melakukan pengabdian pada masyarakat, karena PKM-PM itu pengabdian masyarakat ya, especially for teachers ya. Jadi khusus untuk guru. Jadi kita melatih guru untuk menggunakan computer assisted instruction misalnya. Oke. And then kita misalnya saya pengen mengajarkan tentang bahasa Inggris untuk anak-anak tuli bisu gitu misalnya, gimana caranya, gimana melatihnya, you can find here. Teaching English and science to deaf students. And kalau kalian tidak baca, if you not read the articles, you couldn't find what the method, what the way to teach English and science to deaf students. You just read it, yeah, read it and then find find the core or the topic of this article. Okay, you got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, don't worry to raise your hand if you feel, oh, I couldn't understand. Just okay. No one will blame you. No one will bullying you. No. Ya. Jadi nggak apa-apa kalau kalian merasa, oke, saya nggak paham, Miss. Nggak apa-apa, nggak ada yang akan menyalahkanmu, nggak ada yang akan membulimu, nggak ada. Because English is not our language. Ya. It's not our mother tongue. So that's why you can't speak English well. That's normal. Ya. Jadi karena bahasa Inggris itu bukan bahasa asli kalian, normal kalian nggak bisa, normal. Normal kalian harus belajar banyak, normal ya. As foreigners, when they speak in bahasa, maybe you will something like that, right? Because you will, oh God, the bahasa is megaburan, ya, something like that, ya. Yeah. So that's why it's okay. They try to speak bahasa, and also you try to speak English as well as you can, but try to practice and practice. Don't be the same, yeah. Don't be the same. Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, just try to speak in English. Okay, Miss. I didn't get your point. Can you speak in bahasa to translate it? Yeah. Just try to use your English ability to speak English. Yeah. Okay, and we will find another. Yeah, this one. Augmented reality for the literacy development of deaf children. You can use this. Yeah. You can use this. Yeah, augmented reality, yeah, this, okay. Yeah, augmented reality, maybe, yeah, augmented reality for literacy. That's PKMKC. Yeah, that's PKMKC. Okay. I don't know, you hear me or not, I don't know. I just explain this to you, and I hope you listen me, focus to listen me, yeah, not just your face in the front of camera, but you show anything else. I don't like it, yeah. So just focus to me, because this is your project, yeah, and this is guide you to finish this class and then get score in the end of the semester. Okay. Yep. So if you want to develop augmented reality for literacy development, yeah, you can choose PKMKC. Oke, jadi kalau kalian mau mengembangkan augmented reality untuk literasi, do you know literacy? Yes.
yes.
What is literacy? Desi, what is literacy?
Can I speak with bahasa, Miss?
Or just try in English? It's okay.
Okay. Literacy is how many people can read the books. I think.
Okay. Okay, literacy is like it's related to reading. Yeah, that's your mean?
Yes.
Reading. course, writing also. Yeah, literacy is a wide, what is it? Term, yeah, wide term, yeah. But literacy has many aspects, not just reading, writing, but also technology, technology literacy, yeah, media literacy, and also culture literacy, and many things. Yeah, many kinds of literacy. But if you want to write PKMKC proposal, you can choose this what is it? Choose this topic, ya. Jadi topik literasi itu lagi tren sekarang, ya adik-adik ya. Jadi saya sudah memberikan kalian ide. If you want to grab it, just grab it fast, because your friend maybe will grab it also, ya. Jadi kalau kalian ingin mengambil ide ini, cepat ambil, jangan tunggu lama-lama gitu. Teman kalian pasti juga ingin mengambil gitu ya, karena sudah dapat ide, ya. Ya, jadi literasi itu adalah topik yang sedang digandrungi saat ini. Jadi kalau kalian mengambil ini, kemungkinan besar kalian bisa didanai gitu ya. Oke. Augmented reality for literacy development. Ya, that's PKMKC. Okay, let's find another. Okay, this one. Yeah, technologies for health education for the deaf. Yeah, jadi maybe you can train the teachers, yeah, for health education. Ya, jadi apa namanya, pendidikan kesehatan, ya. You can find a friend from kedokteran, ya. If you want to take this what is it? Take this topic. Yeah, this is for PKM PM, yeah. Maybe training for teachers to use technologies for health education for the deaf. Nah, kayak gitu judulnya. Jadi pelatihan guru untuk menggunakan teknologi untuk kesehatan, pendidikan kesehatan bagi siswa tuli bisu. Nah, kayak gitu ya. Jadi itu berarti PKM PM. Kalau sudah judulnya ada training, ada coaching, ada mentoring, itu pasti ada PKM PM cirinya itu ya. Oke, kalian bisa ambil
I'm
ini.
sorry, ma'am.
Ya.
Something. I need to go to back from just a minute.
Okay, you'll back in 5 minutes ya.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, if you want to go to restroom, no toilet, because toilet is not formal. If you want to go to restroom, just interrupt us. Yeah, excuse me, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Yeah, we know you will go to toilet or restroom. Yeah, restroom is quite formal. Okay, and then now this one. Can you see this one? Okay, wait. The pedagogical effect, of a health education application. Jadi ada aplikasi pendidikan kesehatan untuk anak tuli bisu di sekolah dasar. Jadi apa efeknya efek pedagoginya, efek pembelajarannya. Ya, ini juga kalian bisa untuk RSH. Ya. Oke. And then maybe you not just deep learners, Miss. Maybe you can give us example of another topics. Yeah. Okay, what kind of topics do you want to try? Do you want to find here? Literacy?
Miss,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, how about if we find a topic about lost learning?
Lost
Learning.
learning. What do you mean about lost learning?
It's like when we are in the pandemic and all the students stay at home and they lazy and not learn about anything, like they are lazy, like don't understand.
Okay, I got your point. Okay, you mean about learning at home, yeah? Learning at home. Okay, you can choose PKM RSH, you can choose for PKM PM, yeah? Okay, let's find about learning at home. Okay, this one. The impact of learning at home on the educational outcomes. Ya, ini bisa sebagai PKM RSH. Ya, Novita ya. This one. The impact of learning at home on apa? Jadi apa dampak dari belajar di rumah ya terhadap apa misalnya? Yang misalnya the educational outcomes of vulnerable children. Vulnerable ini jadi ada special case yang diangkat gitu. Jadi mungkin kalau Novita mau, the impact of learning at home on the educational outcomes of deep learners in Bengkalo Village misalnya, ya itu bisa sebagai PKM RSH, ya, or another special case. Yeah, this is also Anopita, learning at home, effects on blah 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 blah. Or you want to find out about parents' involvement in learning at home, ya. Jadi mungkin Novita juga ingin cari tahu tentang keterlibatan orang tua dalam pembelajaran di rumah, dalam belajar di rumah gitu ya. Let's check here. Okay, parents involvement in learning at home for special need students. Okay. You can find many articles about that. This one, yeah, correlates of parents' involvement in students' learning. Ya, jadi korelasi keterlibatan orang tua dalam belajar anak. Nah, ini bisa sebagai PKM RSH, ya. Kemudian ini juga challenge of parents in the implementation of teaching process and facilitation at home during movement control order for students with special needs. Nah, ini juga bisa untuk RSH. Ya. Tapi kalau sudah namanya kita membicarakan tentang special needs students, maka kalian harus find out a friend from counseling department. Ya, counseling department. If you want to take idea for health education, you should find friend from kedokteran. Ya, if you want to develop a technology for a general case, you can find someone from TI. PTI ya, PTI. If you want to make a robot, you can find someone from teknik mesin. Yeah, if you want to what is it? I forgot it. Oh, I lost my word. Yeah, business, okay. Okay, I lost my words. If you want to, okay, I want to write a proposal PKM, what is it? PKMK ya, PKMK. You should find someone from FA, Economic Faculty, yeah. So that's why you have to find another guest from another department and another generation. Ya, okay, you got my point, I think. Ya, jadi kalau kalian mau mengangkat suatu topik, ya, tetapi topik yang paling digandrungi itu biasanya adalah topik-topik special needs education. Tahu special need education? Tahu? Untuk anak-anak berkebutuhan khusus, ya, anak-anak istimewa, ya. Oke, itu biasanya topik-topik yang digandrungi. Kemudian you can also about literacy. Just literacy development in young children maybe. Yeah, this one. This is, yeah, storytelling activities. Maybe you can use this for training, to train teacher, yeah, to use storytelling activities in her process of learning. Jadi kalian bisa ambil PKMPM untuk ide ini, ya. Jadi teacher training for storytelling activities. To support students literacy. Nah, kayak gitu. Misalnya in early childhood, you can ask your friend in PAUD, ya, as your member, or teacher training for using storytelling activities to support literacy and digital literacy development in elementary school. Yeah, so you can find a friend from bahasa. Wait a moment. Oke, jadi kalau kalian misalnya mau membicarakan tentang storytelling activities, kalian bisa mengambil teman dari bahasa Indonesia. Ya, bahasa Indonesia. Oke, kemudian this one, learning through play. Jadi ada web-based game. Ya. Jadi kalian mengembangkan misalnya web-based game untuk pengembangan literasi. PKMKC dah punya itu. Ya. Got it? I think Desi has many ideas, right? Yeah, maybe you can write it down, write it. And then you can check. Okay, I interested in it. in this topic, and then you can spread other topics to your friend. Okay, you can take it. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So that's why I ask you to find out in Google Scholar for international articles, because there are many ideas there. Yeah. If you find in national articles, maybe just like this, yeah, something like that. Yeah. So that's why I ask you to find out in international articles. Okay. If you want to choose like this, what clinicians need to know about early literacy development in children with hearing loss? You can find someone from BK, yeah, and then PAUD also, and then kedokteran also, yeah. This is for PKM RSH. Okay. And then this one. The in ebooks, yeah, ebooks on language and literacy development, maybe teacher training for making ebooks to for literacy development. Yeah, that's PKMPM. Yeah, so that's why you can make a big topic, yeah, literacy, and then special needs, yeah, and then you can divide it in or break it into many ideas. You just find on Google Scholar and try to modify, not just use the article topic, not just use it, and you have to modify it. Yeah. Okay. You got it? You got my point? Still follow me? Okay, Cynthia.
I want to ask Miss, in the PKM that we will make, we use English or Indonesian, Miss?
Indonesia, of course, but you can find it in international articles to find an idea. Yeah, and also the support or reference, use international reference. Yeah, because the point will be higher. Yeah, because we have a theoretical background, what is it, thick theoretical background. Ya, jadi apa namanya, teori kita kuat gitu, karena kita pakai artikel-artikel yang memang sejenis dengan topik yang kita inginkan. Ya. Oke.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
You're welcome. Era, yes, please.
Okay, Miss, I want to ask, are we free to choose every kind of PKM? Like, I'm a student of elementary school, but I want to choose a business topic for my PKM.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. This is for interdisciplinary, right? Yeah, you have not just choose elementary school scope. Yeah, you can find others. Miss, I wanna make what is it? Iron. Yeah, you know iron? Setrika. Ya, setrika misalnya setrika mesin. Kalau mesin cuci kan sudah ada ya. Mesin cuci sudah ada. Kita tinggal masukkan, gujuk, jadi. Tapi bagaimana dengan menyetrika? Nggak ada mesin yang masukkan baju, terus keluar sudah dilipat, sudah rapi. Ada nggak? Ada nggak? Nggak ada. Kalian bisa mengembangkan itu di PKMKC. Ya, saya kasih banyak ini nih. Sudah kasih banyak topik. Ini ada berapa orang? Ada 24 orang. Bagi 2, berarti ada 12 topik. Saya rasa sudah lebih dari 12 topik. I think I gave you more than 12 topics, right? You can just take it one. Ya. Jadi misalnya, oke, saya mau mengembangkan mesin setrika, mesin otomatis gitu ya, mesin setrika otomatis. Masuk baju belecekan gitu ya. Masuk baju belecekan, keluarnya rapi terlipat. Oke. You help me to reduce my what is it? Wait, I forget the word. Pengeluaran apa ya? Saya lupa katanya itu. Can you help?
I think it's more like you hemat funds, if FUNDS funds.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, spending money, right? Yeah. That help me to spend my money. Yeah, if you want to develop something like that. And also I have some ideas like Subak. Subak? Yeah, Subak
Yes,
in Bali.
Yes, I know.
Yeah,
Yes, miss.
we just find it in Bali. Yeah. Okay. Subak also Subak, every Subak has spend their money to some targets, yeah, and then they have to pay the targets to the bank, yeah, and so on. Maybe you can, or they have money from government or other supporter, right? Okay, I think you confused my explanation. Okay, Subak itu kan punya pengeluaran ya, punya berbagai pengeluaran. Jadi mereka itu pergi ke bank untuk bayar, pergi ke sini untuk bayar, ya kan? It's wasting time, right? Kemudian mereka juga dapat uang dari pemerintah atau dari supporter, apa ya? Ya dari dinas atau dari mana gitu ya, dapat uang. Jadi uang itu dalam bentuk apa sih namanya, uang yang kita pegang itu apa namanya ya?
Cash.
Ya, good. Dian, thank you. Ya, dalam bentuk cash ya, dalam bentuk cash. Nah, bagaimana kita membuatnya menjadi sebuah aplikasi? Jadi di aplikasi itu uang masuk ya, mereka punya bank account ya, bank account. Jadi kita buatkan aplikasi untuk mereka tahu, oke, ada uang masuk sekian di aplikasi itu. Oke. Kemudian ada pengeluarannya seperti apa? Ya. This one. Jadi di aplikasi itu kelihatan, oke, saya mau bayar apa itu ya? Kan ada tahunan biasanya ya. Ada bulanannya ya, pengeluaran itu. Oke, saya mau bayar uang tahunan. Oke. Jadi dengan aplikasi ini bisa send uangnya aja. Ya, seperti kita bank transfer, ya, itu bisa kalian kembangkan untuk apa itu namanya, untuk KC, ya, untuk KC, atau untuk I think KC, ya, robot interaktif misalnya, ya, robot interaktif, ya. Misal kalian kan belajar bahasa Inggris, ya kan? Tapi nggak ada teman ngobrol. Do you have someone that can you ask to small talk, to have small talk with you? Do you know small talk? Do you know small talk?
I think
Yeah. Yeah. Who will answer? Sri?
Like obrolan ringan.
Yes,
Miss.
good with Mas. Yeah. Do you have someone that can you ask to have small talk with you in English?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, we must know. Yeah.
Ina.
Dharma, yes. Yeah, maybe rare of you have someone. Yeah, can you that you can ask to have small talk with you at home? Yeah, I think. Yeah, you can ask your friends. Yeah, in this class. Yeah, maybe you chat her or you chat him. Hello, are you sleeping? Yeah, I want to ask you about this. Yeah, or call her or call him. Hello, I want to ask you about this one. Okay, just try. It's okay. Maybe someone else will so arrogant with English. Yeah, it's okay. Don't hear like that. Just yeah, okay. Because if you don't practice English, you couldn't rise the goal. Ya, jadi kalau kalian tidak praktik bahasa Inggrisnya, kalian tidak akan mencapai tujuan kalian. Tujuannya kan bisa berbahasa Inggris, ya kan? Bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris itu tepatnya. Ya, I think one or two or all of you will be a teacher in international schools because you have great English. Ya, jadi saya berharap semua dari kalian atau satu dari kalian nanti jadi guru di sekolah internasional. Ya, karena kalian punya basic bahasa Inggris. Gitu ya. And the salary is different with other teacher, with normal teacher, with public teacher. Maybe public teacher just have for contract, yeah, for contract teacher. Just have 1 million maybe, or 1,002,100 rupiahs, yeah. But in international schools, you can get 3 million. 3 millions. Wow. Yeah, wow. And if you have a long time there, yeah, spend many times there, maybe you will have 5 until 7 million. Yes, of course. That's true. Yeah, so that's why let's try to speak English. It's okay. You make mistake, it's okay, yeah. But don't do worst thing. Jadi jangan berbuat kejahatan itu aja. Kalau buat kesalahan ya nggak apa-apa. Orang namanya belajar, ya kan? Kalau nggak salah ya nggak belajar. Like Rinso advertisement ya, nggak kotor nggak belajar gitu ya. Oke. Ya. Oke. Let me back to Robot Interactive ya. You are a student in international class, yeah, so you have to speak in English, and you have no friends. You have no friend. You have no one in your house, yeah, in your house that you can ask to get small talk to you. So you wanna develop a robot, then that can help you to speak English. You have partner, yeah. The robot is your partner to speak English at home. Yeah. So this idea is for Kache. Ya. Jadi robot partner for English speaking. Nah, for speaking English. Nah, itu KC dah itu. Ya. Oke. Okay. Any question? I gave you many topics, and how would you choose one of them that make you interest? Yeah, that you interested in it. Just find the topic that you interested in it. Ya, jadi cari satu topik yang membuat kamu tertarik untuk mengerjakan topik itu. Ya. I wanna ask you to send the proposal to our team, to university team for PKM. Okay, so I have 12 proposals in this class. Yeah, because you are 24 students and you get a pair. Yeah, so 24 divided 2, it equals equal 12, right? Yeah, so I will get 12 proposal. Yeah, 12 proposals, and then you should maybe we need extra meeting, right? Extra meeting for discuss your topic, because today you have no topic, so we have no discussion. Yeah, I just talk to you many times, talk to you. It's like teacher centered. Yeah, because we have no topic. Maybe you can find another day next week, maybe, if you already have and you feel okay, this day is free, and you asked me to do what is it, to meet with us. Ya, jadi hari ini terlalu saya banyak bicara gitu ya, karena kalian nggak punya topik. Jadi apa yang saya bisa diskusikan dengan kalian gitu ya. Jadi saya ingin 12 topik nanti, saya minta extra time, ya, extra waktu untuk kita meeting lagi minggu depan, ya, untuk mendiskusikan topik kalian. Ya, jadi is it okay on Sunday? Is it okay on Sunday? You just find a topic. You just find a topic and then you choose what PKM will you try to write. Cynthia, you raise hand. Yeah, go on.
I'm sorry, Miss. I have a PKM topic, but what's next? I'm still confused about where to start, Miss.
Okay, you have PKM topic. Yeah, go on. Tell us. Cynthia, you can tell us. You can tell us.
Can you repeat again, Miss?
You can tell us your topic.
Okay, wait, Miss.
Okay, the 12 of your proposals. Yeah, I will give you supervising. I will give you comments, suggestions. Yeah. And I will be your supervisor. Yeah, or you want to find anyone else as your supervisor?
Oh, sorry, Miss. Penerapan media tabung penjumlahan dalam memahami konsep penjumlahan sederhana untuk anak tunagrahita ringan.
Okay. Maybe you can change it into PKM-PM. Jadi teacher training Ya, itu sudah ada hasil penelitiannya ya, Cynthia, untuk media tabung itu.
Sudah, Miss. Sudah ada foto media tabungnya,
Sudah
Miss.
ada hasil penelitiannya. Hasil penelitiannya sudah ada. Oke, you can open your mic.
Kalau hasil penelitiannya belum, Miss.
Oh, kalau belum ada, kamu harus cari hasil yang dari hasil penelitian ya. Jadi kalau itu bisa apa tadi ya, tunagrahita ya, tunagrahita ya. Ya, jadi kita bisa apa itu namanya? Kamu bisa nanti mentraining guru ya, mentraining guru untuk membuat sesuatu, membuat instructional media, membuat media pembelajaran gitu ya, untuk tunagrahita. Tapi media pembelajarannya itu apa? Kamu bisa cari-cari di artikel internasional. Instructional media for apa? Tunagrahita ya. Tunagrahita itu yang bagaimana ya? Saya nggak kurang paham saya nih kalau sudah. Kalian tahu tunagrahita itu yang bagaimana? Is it like mental disability? Cynthia? Cynthia?
Tunagrahita tuh kayak gini, Miss. Keterlambatan dalam menyesuaikan diri sama lingkungannya. Kayak gitu, Miss.
Okay, like mental disability?
Mental disability.
Maybe I think like autis person.
Okay, autis ya. Okay, for autism students. Okay, this one. You can find this one. Wait, Cynthia. Cynthia, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, maybe you can find here this one, technology used as a support tool. What kind of technology? You can find in apa namanya? In the content of the articles. Di konten. Jadi kamu bisa menemukan teknologi apa yang bisa digunakan sebagai support tool, artinya sebagai pendukung gitu ya, sebagai media pembelajaran untuk anak autis. Jadi kamu bisa cari di sini nanti, ya. SegPub ini juga bagus, adik-adik. SegPub ini juga bagus ininya, apa namanya? Pengindeksnya bagus ini. Ya. Jadi Cynthia, saya sedikit kamu bisa dengan topik itu, ya. You can choose that topic, but I try to make it become PKM-PM, ya. Jadi PKM-PM ya, Cynthia ya. Jadi teacher training for apa gitu teknologinya nanti ya. Jadi pelatihan guru untuk teknologi apa bagi anak autis gitu. Bagi anak autis. Jadi kamu harus berteman, mencari partner anak BK, anak teknologi pendidikan, anak TP ya. Nah itu. Suka dengan ide itu?
Mungkin untuk mengembangkan teknologinya mungkin susah, Miss.
Oh, yeah, you have to find simple technology, right? Not robot. Yeah, maybe you can find a simple. You just read this verse. Ya, kamu baca dulu ini, nanti kamu akan ketemu teknologi apa yang dimaksud dalam artikel ini, ya. Ya, Cynthia? Ya,
Yes, Miss.
you can type this searching keywords, instructional media and technologies for autism students. Nah, gitu misalnya. Or autism elementary school students. It's okay. Ya. Nah, this one. Kamu bisa menggunakan ini deh. Gesture based match. Ya. Ya, untuk anak autis. Ya, Dek Cynthia ya. Jadi lebih ke pelatihan guru untuk dengan melatih apa? Intinya PKMPM itu kamu melatih siapa, melatih apa, untuk apa gitu. Ya. Apakah siapa yang dilatih itu non produktif? Kalau iya, betul PKMPM. Tapi kalau dia produktif, misalnya kelompok pekerja pariwisata, itu kan produktif itu. Jadi itu PKMPI gitu loh. Ya. Oke, nih kamu bisa ambil di sini ya, gesture based match. Dan kemudian ini bisa social narrative intervention tools. Ya. Jadi Bu, saya nggak ngerti itu, ya nggak ngerti, orang baru baca judulnya, belum baca isinya gitu ya. Jadi baca dulu isinya, baru nanti kamu akan ketemu. Atau ini pop-up book. Pop-up book dengan augmented reality. Nah, ini ya. Jadi tapi kalau mengembangkan augmented reality untuk kalau guru dilatih augmented reality agak sulit sih. Ya, kecuali kalau ini KC misalnya, kamu mengembangkan pop-up book untuk autis gitu misalnya, untuk anak autis. Kemudian ini teaching basic mathematics and technology to elementary. Ya, pasti di dalamnya ada teknologi apa dia gitu ya. Kemudian ini banyak ada nih, Dek. Kamu tinggal pilih nanti yang mana yang memungkinkan gitu ya. Kemudian ada lagi apa namanya? Tes apa itu namanya? E-test, elektronik tes ya, elektronik tes untuk disleksia, untuk mengidentifikasi disleksia. Nah, itu bisa. Itu KC dia punya. Ya, elektronik tes untuk disleksia. Karena disleksia itu 2-3 orang dalam setiap kelas pasti ada di dunia. Setiap kelas di dunia 2-3 orang pasti ada disleksia. Apa itu disleksia, Bu? Kan gitu ya. Salah satunya adalah apa ya? Visual disorder. Jadi ada sedikit gangguan visual dia pada ininya. Sehingga misalnya kalau dia membaca itu hurufnya itu seperti terbang, Adik-adik. Siapa yang bisa baca huruf yang terbang-terbang begitu? Padahal kalau kita normal kita lihatnya diem gitu ya. Tapi kalau anak disleksia enggak. Dia terbang misalnya hurufnya. Ada yang hurufnya terbalik. Nah, nulis udah gede nulis huruf W jadi M gitu ya, atau B jadi D gitu. Nah, itu disleksia itu. Ya. Mungkin kamu bisa mengembangkan electronic test for dyslexia. It is for dyslexia. Ya. Nah, ini semuanya tesnya masih dalam bentuk tes-tes biasa, Adik-adik. Belum ada yang e-tes. Belum ada yang elektronik tes. Ya. Jadi kamu bisa ini. bisa bermain di sini adik-adik. Banyak sekali ide-idenya. Kalau kamu mau, ayo gitu ya. Ayo tulis yang benar, jangan sekedar nulis. Kalau kalian menulis dengan benar, dengan baik ya, nilai kalian juga akan baik nanti di akhir semester. Plus, kalau beruntung ini lolos PKM, kalian dapat 10 jutaan. Siapa coba yang ngasih 10 jutaan zaman sekarang? Ya kan? Gimana kalian bisa? Ya oke lah kalau kalian rich man gitu ya, orang tuanya ya, rich man and rich woman, rich woman ya. Kalau orang tua kalian rich parents ya oke lah, minta 10 juta mungkin gampang ya. But not everyone has good chance to be a rich man or rich woman gitu ya. Oke. Jadi kalau kalian kaya ya nggak masalah sih, mungkin 20 juta juga gampang gitu ya. Tapi nggak semua punya keberuntungan seperti itu gitu ya. Sehingga 10 juta diam-diam dikasih 10 juta tinggal melakukan apa namanya penelitian ya kan. Ya paling tidak dapatlah 1 juta kan lumayan, pakai beli apa gitu ya. Nanti aku mau invest untuk kebaya wisudaku gitu misalnya. It's okay. Yeah, so that's why you have to write it a good, great, yeah, not just okay. I just write it as a task, and then I got okay, just B plus. It's okay. Oh God, that's not a good motivation. Yeah. Okay. So, Cynthia, you can revise it. You can revise your idea. I like the idea for autism students. Ya, saya suka dengan ide autis itu, tetapi mungkin Cynthia perlu pertimbangkan mau ke KC apa mau ke PM. Nah, itu pertimbangannya. Mau KC atau PM?
Kalau boleh bertanya, menurut Miss lebih bagusan yang mana, Miss, PM atau KC-nya?
Yeah, all of them are good. Yeah, if you choose KC, you make a product by development method, ya. Jadi kalau KC kamu buat produk dari proses pengembangan. Tapi kalau PM kamu melatih guru. Tapi kalau saya ini ya, PKM PM PKM PM has good chance to get 10 million. Ya, jadi kalau PKM PM itu punya potensi yang bagus ya, kesempatan yang bagus untuk lolos gitu ya. Kalau PKM PM. Yeah, so that's why maybe I give you a clue, right? Okay, just choose PKMPM. Yeah, you know, I have a team. Yeah, I have a team, but I was what is it? Wait, I forget it. Can you help me bayangan? Okay, I forget it. I forget the word. Bayangan in English. Shadow. Okay, shadow. Yeah, shadow supervisor. I mean, I'm in the back. I was in the back. Not me as their supervisor that they wrote on their paper, but I gave them what is it command, suggestion. So that's why they are in PIMNAS now. They are in PIMNAS now. Can you imagine that? PIMNAS, wow, that's a great moment for you, for students in higher educational level. Ya, jadi saya itu sebenarnya pembimbing pendamping. Pembimbing pendamping itu nggak boleh dicantumkan dalam proposal. Tetapi yang saya dampingi itu lolos PIMNAS sekarang. Jadi PIMNAS itu adalah ajang bergengsi bagi mahasiswa ya. Jadi kalau lolos PIMNAS itu, kesannya sudah luar biasa itu ya. Oke, jadi harapan saya gantungkan, put your dream as high as you can ya. Jadi gantunglah mimpimu setinggi-tingginya yang bisa kamu lakukan. Jadi kalau kamu menggantung mimpi lebih tinggi, maka kamu akan meraihnya dengan lebih maksimal gitu ya. Not just okay. My dream is I get B+ in scientific writing course. Yeah, I will give you B+. If your dream, B+. Ya, oke. Jadi jangan hanya memimpikan, oke, saya hanya bermimpi mendapat B+ dalam penulisan karya ilmiah. Oke, saya akan memberikanmu B+ dengan cuma-cuma gitu ya. Not just B+. Oke, put your dream higher. Ya, oke. Question? Question?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yeah, raise your hand first so I can see you. Okay, Desi, go on.
I wanna ask Miss, how long the time we can make our project?
Until in the end of semester, but for PKM, yeah, I think you have to collect it on November. Just you just write it, ya. Jadi kalian tulis aja dulu. Yang penting idenya dulu, gitu ya. Ide dasarnya dulu. Kalau mereka sudah merasa ide dasarnya bagus, kemudian formatnya sudah sesuai dengan aturan, jangan sampai ada yang sedikit saja tidak sesuai. Ya, di mana Miss kita dapat aturannya, where I can get the book, what is it, the guidebook. Yeah, you can download it. Yeah, or maybe the team send you the guidebook already. Not yet. Belum dikirimin ini ya, buku pedoman ya, belum ya. Ya, just download it. Buku pedoman PKM 2021, ketik aja seperti itu. Akan muncul nanti buku pedomannya ya. Jadi kalian sesuaikan dengan PKM yang kalian pilih. Ya. Untuk kebutuhan kuliah saya itu sampai akhir semester. Ini tugasnya. Tapi untuk kebutuhan PKM kalian akan mengumpulkannya November. Bu, kok cepat sekali Bu, ya gimana nanti saya? Nggak usah jadi bener gitu. Setengah jadi juga nggak apa-apa. Yang penting idenya bagus, formatnya sesuai. Nanti pelan-pelan kita tambahin gitu loh. Ya, misalnya background. Oke. You should explain background clearly. Apa sih masalah utamanya? Jadi masalah utamanya dulu, jangan embel-embelnya yang banyak, masalah utamanya dulu. Oh, ini loh masalahnya. Kalau PKMPM misalnya, oke. Desa Bengkale memiliki begini, daerahnya begini. Ada sekian siswa yang begini, yang tuli bisu begini, dan seterusnya. Ya, sehingga perlu melatih guru untuk menyelesaikan permasalahan anak tuli bisu yang belajar di rumah gitu misalnya. Itu aja tulis intinya. Oke, kemudian masuk ke komponen selanjutnya apa? Udah, enggak apa-apa, kita tulis simple dulu gitu. Tapi idenya dan formatnya sesuai gitu ya. Idenya menarik, formatnya sesuai. Itu dulu kuncinya. Entah isinya masih amburadul kalimatnya enggak masalah. Atau kalian mungkin, Bu, boleh enggak saya translate ke Google Translate terus saya omongin seperti itu gitu. saya ini omongkan seperti itu ya boleh, tapi diedit lah, jangan persis sama dengan isi Google Translate gitu ya. Nah, boleh bisa gitu ya. Oke. Kalian sangat riskan. You have big risk if you copy article from Indonesian articles in bahasa, because the Turnitin check will find you as a plagiator. Yeah, as plagiator, because they find, okay, you take from this, you take from this, you take from this. But different with if you find in international articles, you will translate it by Google Translate, and then you arrange a good sentence based on your understanding of the translator. Ya, jadi kalau kalian mengambil dari artikel bahasa Indonesia, kalian akan dideteksi sebagai plagiat. Kenapa? Karena kalian mengambil sepenuhnya seperti itu. Tapi kalau kalian membaca dari artikel bahasa Inggris, kalian translate, kemudian kalian pahami itu, kalian tulis dengan kalimatnya kalian sendiri, itu tidak akan terdeteksi sebagai plagiat. Begitu, ya? Paham ya? Oke, Desi, bagaimana?
Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, do you have idea, Desi?
Yes, I have, but saya belum menentukan judulnya, Miss.
Oh, no, yeah, the title is yeah. We will choose the title in the end of the writing, right? Okay.
Yes.
But what about your idea?
I wanna make a mental health topic, Miss.
Okay, good. That's good. Yeah, maybe you ask one from kedokteran department, yeah, medical department. One from, it is about technology. Is it about technology for mental what?
I think about learning of children.
Okay, by technology.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, you still find the good idea, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, but I love the topic about mental what?
Mental health.
Okay, mental health, yeah. Mental health. I love it.
Yes.
And then you should find a technology for mental health, yeah. And then you can choose PKM-KC or PKM-PM. Yeah,
Okay.
if you want to choose PKM-KC, you just develop the technology, yeah, for mental health. And then if you want to PKM-PM, you can train teachers, you can train ibu-ibu PKK, you can train what is it? Wait, what is it in society, in your village? The team that consists of young people.
STT, Miss.
Karang Taruna.
Yeah, Karang Taruna. Yes, that's my main. Yeah, maybe you can train them to what is it, to arrange the technology, to make the technology for mental health young people, or train teacher to mental health education for young learners. That's good. Yeah. Okay, Desi, I love it.
Thank you, Miss.
Yep. You just find out it and make it focus and clear. Yeah. Okay, good. Anyone else? Yeah. Desi, you can see on screen. Yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, there are some technologies that you can choose to what is it, to your idea. Yeah. Digital storytelling. It's okay. This one. Yeah. You use you train the teacher training for digital storytelling as learning tool in mental health. Yeah, in elementary school. Nah, you got one. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Desi, is it clear, Desi?
Sorry, Miss.
Is it clear?
Oh, yes, Miss. Thank you,
Yeah.
Miss.
Yeah. Okay, and then you can focus to digital storytelling. Yeah. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you like this. Okay. Digital in mental health. In mental health, elementary education or primary education. Jeng, 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 jeng. Ah, you have many. Yeah, and then you just click it and read it and then try to write it. Yeah, your PKM, yeah, 50% done. Okay. Anyone else want to discuss your idea? If you have no idea, we should discuss it another day. I asked you for extra day, extra day, extra day. I mean, yeah. Is it okay on Sunday? Or maybe Monday? Before you what is it, start to work with your team, yeah, to make a scientific paper, yeah. Okay, anyone else to ask about your idea?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yeah, please raise your hand so I can see your face. Yeah, Dia, Elsa. Yeah, go on.
If I take a problem about social, might I provide a solution in the form of a website, Miss?
In the form of, sorry?
If I take a problem about social, might provide a social about a website, Miss?
Website, yeah, it's okay. You mean you use technology for solve the problem? Yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Do you mean that? Okay. Yeah, that's okay. What kind of problem that you talk about? Social problem. What kind of problem? Still in imagination, or you maybe you found it in your environment?
Still in imagination.
Okay, okay, that's okay. It's okay. It's nothing. Yeah, you just tell me the honest, and then I help you. Yeah, The harness, okay. Okay. What kind of social topic that you feel okay, interested in it?
I don't know, but I think about social.
Okay, maybe about elementary education or about a special need education or about differentiated learning. Is it about education or others?
Maybe others.
Okay, others. Like Subak, something like that.
Yes, maybe Miss.
Okay, you can do it, yeah. You can find in Google Scholar, yeah, Subak. Just find Subak. What kind of research that related to Subak, yeah. Okay, something like the power of and then this one, yeah, just find it here. And then you can modify it, yeah. Yeah, maybe you make yeah, something that this, yeah, film dokumenter tentang Subak Bali. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yeah, just find just type Subak Bali and then you will find many things here. Yeah, this is I can explain this Google Scholar because it is very clever, right? When we type something, they know many things, but we don't. Ya, jadi ketika kita ketik sesuatu di Google Scholar, mereka tahu banyak gitu loh. Kita enggak. Padahal kita orang Bali gitu ya, tapi tidak tahu banyak tentang Subak Bali. Gitu ya. Ya, Google Scholar is very clever. Okay. Is it okay, Dia? Can you get my point?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. Try to write your proposal, okay? So I have 12 proposals in this class, and I would like you to try write if you have an idea, already have an idea, and if you still, okay, I don't know what I should write, and then you can find in Google Scholar. Yeah, it's okay about literacy, it's okay about technology, it's okay about culture, you know, culture, budaya, yeah. It's okay about special needs, it's okay about differentiated learning, pembelajaran terdiferensiasi, ya. It's okay about inclusive learning, and it's okay, it's about mental health education or mental disabilities, yeah, everything. Okay, yeah. And don't forget to find in international articles because you are in international class, so you have to find in international articles because it helps you to increase your writing skills, your reading skills, ya, and your vocabularies. Jadi kalian, karena kalian kelas internasional, cari artikelnya, artikel internasional, karena itu sangat membantu kalian dalam membaca, skill membaca bahasa Inggris, ya, skill writing bahasa Inggris, ya, kemudian vocabulary, do you know vocabulary? Kosakata, ya, kosakata bahasa Inggris. Jadi itu akan sangat membantu sekali kosakata bahasa Inggris kalian, ya. Oke?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, because we have limit time, still 6 minutes. Yeah, still 6 minutes. If you, okay, wait. Before I close meeting, I will ask you someone who already have an idea. Dia. Yeah. Dia. And then dia about subak ya dia ya.
No, Miss, but I think
Okay, in social phenomenon. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, dia still have big question for the idea, right? Okay. And then we have who did tell me the idea? I forget the name. Please, who raised your hand before? Oh yeah, Cynthia. Cynthia about autis, yeah?
ATES dyslexia, Miss.
Oh, dyslexia.
Yeah, I think that.
Okay, dyslexia, ya. Oke, ITES ya, ITES for dyslexia ya. Is it right?
Mungkin bisa berubah, Miss.
Yeah, okay,
Belum
okay.
fix.
Yeah, okay. The topic is about dyslexia, right? Is it right, Cynthia?
Yes, about the dyslexia.
Okay, great. And Desi Pratiwi.
Oh, yes, Miss.
Yeah, your idea is about mental health, yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Mental health. Okay, let's discuss what is it more about mental health in the next episode. Yeah, and then who else? Just 3 ya. Dia, Cynthia, Desi Pratiwi ya. Just 3 of you ya. Right? Am I right? Betul? Betul ya? Baru tiga orang ya tadi yang menyampaikan ide ya.
Yes,
I think it's right, Miss.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Okay, students, please help me to find another extra time, yeah, extra time to discuss about the topics that you choose, and then tell me your peer, yeah, your peers, and then I will give you guide what will you do after the discussion, right? Yeah, and if you have already idea, you just fix it. Yeah, you just fix it and then try to write it down. Okay. Yeah. Questions? Look at day, maybe you can help me, yeah, to find another day. Yeah,
Okay, Miss. I will.
yeah, as soon as possible, yeah, but not on Friday and Saturday. Not on Friday and Saturday. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. As soon as possible. Okay. Students, we have no question. You have no question and we have limit time. Just, okay, you have another meeting, right? Yeah, so if you have an idea, you can text on our group, yeah, text on in our group, and then I will try to give you suggestion or recommendation, yeah. So in the next meeting, you should tell me about your fears, okay? Got it? And then your idea, yeah, and then the PKM that you choose, yeah. Okay. Class, we have no time, so we should say goodbye. Thank you very much for the attention. We will meet again as soon as possible, yeah. See you soon. Bye-bye.
See you, Miss. Thank you.
See you, Miss.
Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.